Google Cloud and Epic announced a partnership in an effort to help more hospitals leverage public cloud. Researchers are using a new tool based on CRISPR to study cancer. And the race is on to find a way to prevent skyrocketing respiratory illnesses among children. These are the stories we'll be covering on This Week in Healthcare Tech. Hello, and welcome to This Week in Healthcare Tech, where every week we bring you the hardest hitting news from the intersection of healthcare and technology. First up, Google Cloud has announced a new partnership with the electronic health records company Epic. The deal means that hospitals that use Epic EHR will be able to migrate the application to the Google Cloud, which will greatly simplify the work done by engineers and IT professionals working in healthcare while leading to better security around sensitive data. The hope is that this will allow more energy and innovation to go toward improving the patient experience. Next, you've probably heard of CRISPR, a tool that allows for the precise editing of DNA sequences. Well, researchers at Memorial Sloan Kettering Cancer Center have recently developed a new gene editing technique based on CRISPR called MACHETE. MACHETE will allow cancer researchers to quickly make large-scale alterations to the DNA of cancerous tumors. This is exciting because it will make studying the mutations which lead to cancer much more effective, opening up the possibility of creating treatments that are more personal to individual patients. Finally, there has been a worrying spike in the number of children suffering from seasonal respiratory illnesses like RSV. This could potentially be the consequence of the COVID-19 lockdowns, which meant children were less exposed to viruses like RSV and therefore less able to develop immunity to them. As it stands, several companies have begun development of RSV vaccines, including Pfizer and Moderna. If they're successful, it could mean substantially mitigating the risk of RSV infection, which hospitalizes between 58,000 and 80,000 children every year in the US alone. That's it for this episode. Tune in to This Week in Healthcare Tech next week for the latest news, and don't forget to like this episode, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your friends. Thanks for joining me, and until next time.